This year, my wife turned 30, and we've been celebrating in a few different ways. We've done everything from putting together a McDonald's-themed birthday dinner to going to central London to have afternoon tea. But one thing a few of us have been planning for over a few months is an overseas trip with friends and family. This is what happened when we took my wife to Izmir in Turkey. We managed to book an Airbnb for 12 people, which is harder than it sounds, but luckily it had a long dining table, which meant we could hire a private chef to cater the evening. It was great seeing everyone enjoy themselves, especially Adela.
That is so true. It's so true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adela. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Thank you all so much for being here, to travel across the continent for me. I really appreciate it.
For the second day, we surprised everyone with a private boat tour of Karakaboon's bays and beaches.
The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
You know what time I'm looking forward to? 8 p.m. when Gabriel shuts down. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. he'll be done.
After some questionable karaoke by Gabriel, we arrived at the boat tour and we were pleasantly surprised. We weren't too sure how the boat would actually look when booking it, but everyone really enjoyed themselves, swimming, having fun and laughing together. And I think it's really important to find moments where you can really celebrate with people and celebrate the people you love. It's not every day that you get to do activities like this, so really leaning into this and making it feel special for Adela was top priority for us. This was easily one of my favourite activities of the whole trip, and I'm really glad that everybody else thought so too. The third day was our last full day that we had. So we started off with a hike across the beach up into the mountains.
3, 2, 1, survive! Yay!
Not only will we survive, we will thrive.
Amen!
That we are alive.
Amen!
We are the prize.
Yay!
Beehive.
After some superb encouragement from my wife, we were on our way.
Jerry, your son.
Kind of.
You have a break, Jerry.
Now that we were back on track, it was time to walk along the path of the beach. We paused to take in some of the scenery, skip some stones, and hit some iconic poses before making our way to our final destination. I will say, climbing this mountain was a bit harder than it looks. I think we can all agree that the view is fantastic. To put a final stamp on her birthday trip, we planned a colourful pool party barbecue which everybody could dress up and have fun. It was important for us to end on a high, especially because we did a few things throughout the trip and we wanted this to be memorable. My favourite moment from this activity wasn't the party itself, but the impromptu race that Gabriel and Kemi decided to have at the end. The next morning we all woke up super early and packed our bags so we could head back home. It's safe to say everybody had a fun time and I'm glad we could take this moment to celebrate my wife.
So yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate how much you went to make this a great birthday. I think it's my best birthday ever.
Obviously.
But yeah, I love you all and I appreciate your, yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Amen.